How to budget even if you hate numbers. Let me guess, the word budget makes you anxious. You open a spreadsheet and your brain just shuts down. Numbers, formulas, percentages, nope, not happening. But here's the truth, budgeting isn't about math, it's about freedom. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a budget that works, even if you hate numbers. This is Mia. She's 31, creative, a freelance designer. Every month she swore she'd figure it out. But she avoided her finances like the plague. Why? Because the moment she opened a budgeting app, she felt dumb, lost. She told herself, I'm just not a numbers person. And the result? Overdraft fees, late bills, random spending, and constant guilt. If you've ever avoided looking at your bank account, if the word budget feels like a punishment, you're not alone. This video is for you. Budgeting is not about spreadsheets. It's about awareness, choice, and peace of mind. You don't need to do algebra. You just need a system that feels natural, like breathing. Let's redefine budgeting. It's just telling your money where to go, before it disappears. Think of it like GPS for your money. You don't need to know every street, you just need the destination and a clear turn-by-turn. Here's how you can start. No spreadsheets, no scary math. Step 1. Know your money flow, with colours, not numbers. Use 3 categories: essentials, rent, groceries, bills; wants, Netflix, takeout, fun; waste, fees, impulse buys. Look back at last month, estimate how much went into each. You don't need exact numbers, just patterns. Step 2. Give every pound a job. Write down your next paycheck. Before you spend it, assign each pound a role: rent, groceries, savings. Apps like You Need a Budget or simple Google Docs templates can help, but even pen and paper works. Step 3. Create a no-math visual system. Use highlighters, sticky notes, jars, whatever feels intuitive. Mia used a whiteboard. Rent in blue, food in green. That was her system, and it worked. You don't have to be good with money, you just have to be done with feeling lost. Drop it in the comments with how you feel about budgeting right now. Are you overwhelmed, avoiding it, or taking your first step? Let's talk. Let's help each other. You are not alone. Still think budgeting is too hard? Ask yourself, what's harder, taking 15 minutes to plan your money, or waking up to zero in your account again? You don't need to track every cent, you just need to start. Start messy, start small, but start. Celebrate tiny wins, checked your balance, wrote down your bills, said no to a £6 coffee today. Those are victories. Budgeting isn't a chore, it's a form of self-respect. And you've got this. If this video helped you shift your mindset, like this video. It tells YouTube this matters. Subscribe for weekly tips that make money simple, not stressful. And tell me below, what's one money habit you're working on this week? We're building a judgment-free zone. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be present. In the next video, I'm showing you the easiest budgeting app for people who hate budgeting apps. Seriously, if you can tap your screen, you can budget. I'll see you there. And remember, you're not bad with money, you just need a better system.